Hi everyone, Ryan here, Ion Capital Solutions. Today I'm here with Sebastian Tefreschi, and we want to talk to you about the line of credit. Now, Sebastian, thanks so much for being with us today.
Thank you for the opportunity, Ryan.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I guess we'll dive right in. A lot of you see the line of credit as being very attractive. I know our customers certainly like it. With that being said, there is a bit of red tape, and you want to focus in on that red tape in order to understand what qualifies, what you want to spend your time on, and what you don't. Um, this could be someone who's interested in the line of credit, right, but doesn't necessarily have properties lined up or hasn't actually been through the process. It's great to have a line of credit, but if they're not using it, the lender's money's not going out the door, right? You're not getting paid. So what's the point of it, right? And there's other things surrounding this area, but it's not at all like a HELOC. It can't be used for anything, right? These are some of the things we hear. So Sebastian, could you speak to these points and kind of help us bring clarity to this specific topic?
No problem, Ryan. So let's understand what a line of credit really is. The line of credit is a pre-established number that the lender approves the borrower for. So now the borrower could go in, they purchase properties, they already have the rate, they already have the terms. All they do is issue a quick BPO, which is a little bit smaller than an appraisal. They go see the property, send over the rehab budget. They could go and purchase the property. The lines of credit, you can't use them for whatever you want. They are strictly for the purchase and the rehab of property. So it's very important to understand that. And they also go within the values of, let's say, for example, the ARV, the loan to cost. We're still going to have to see what the purchase price is. We're still going to have to see the property. And then now we could go ahead and base the line of credit on a couple of different things. There are lines of credit where we could see how much liquidity the borrower has, and we could base it off that and do a multiplier. Or we could also look at their past 36 months of history, and we could see what are their purchases, what are their sales. Let's look at their history and base the line off that. And again, lines of credit are nice because people could go in, purchase the property very quickly. They get the rehab, they're in, out, rates are already determined. And what's nice with that as well too is it's easy for the client as well because they could also work on multiple properties because they have a higher leverage. If I were going to be pushing the line of credit, I would not make this a number one selling factor. Oh, hey, set up with the line of credit. Let's always start them off with a fix and flip loan, and that line of credit is better off to be a bonus. And hey, guess what, Mr. Jones? You're also going to get a line of credit with this one as an add-on, so you could use for future purchases. Okay, and it's going to be a lot more beneficial because now you also get two products in one rather than just focusing on a line of credit. Then you don't know when the client is going to be able to use.
Absolutely, absolutely. Now, for those of you watching here, you can see our product board, right? And this upcoming Monday, this is going to be updated. With that being said, this is where you can locate information on the exposure line of credit. And what we're going to be doing, I might as well say it on the call, is case study Mondays, where we're going to go through specific deals, different forms of funding, and dive in. So for the line of credit specifically, we will dive in. We'll take a look at one of these cases, see how it operates, see how it works, why the deal went through or it failed, and why. And this is the best way. This is the best way. But that's a good overview. Sebastian, thank you so much for that information. You think there's anything else we should keep our eye out for here on this topic?
For this one, just keep pushing through. Just make sure that you talk to a borrower. They're ready to move on a property right away. Add that line of credit as an extra bonus. Try not to make it the main selling point, but it's a nice add-on, and the customer is going to stay with you the entire time. You're going to lock them in to keep a forever client.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, Sebastian. Really appreciate it. Everybody at home watching, thanks so much. We'll catch you on the next video.